Are you receiving medical treatment? Have you been asked if you'd be willing to donate a sample for research? It could be of your blood, urine, or your bodily tissue. You're not alone. That's because patient samples are a very valuable resource for medical researchers, working to develop new ways of diagnosing and treating disease. Choosing to donate samples for medical research is entirely voluntary, and saying no will not affect your treatment in any way. Useful medical samples include blood and urine, both of which can often be obtained during routine tests, and bodily tissues, which may remain after an operation or after some tissue is taken to make a diagnosis. Before researchers obtain any samples, you'll be asked if you're happy to donate your blood, urine, or tissue. This is called informed consent. Once a sample is taken, it may be used for medical research in a number of different ways to help doctors make accurate diagnosis or to develop new medicines. The genetic analysis of samples usually involves the study of a donor's DNA. The results of this may have implications for your family. If it does, these will be explained when you are asked to give a sample. On rare occasions, research will involve the use of laboratory animals. This will only be done if there is no alternative. Medical research can take place in different places, both in the UK and abroad. Places like universities and other not-for-profit organisations, or commercial organisations like drug companies. When you give your consent for samples to be taken, you will be asked to provide some information about yourself. This may include personal information, like your name and address, which will be kept confidential. You may also be asked other questions, such as your gender, age, height, weight and diet, and any smoking habits. Then your sample will be given a unique number. So the medical researchers who work with your sample will not have access to your personal information or be able to identify you. Remember, choosing to donate samples for medical research is entirely voluntary, and saying no or changing your mind at any time will not affect your treatment in any way. Thank you for considering the donation of a sample for medical research. All donations are gratefully received as doctors work to make more accurate diagnosis and to develop new medicines.